Welcome to Johnston Motors. This is Gibson, our new mascot, Gibson the Jeep dog. Real proud of what we're bringing to you this week. We got a 99 forest green Jeep Cherokee XJ in 4x4, and it is a limited trim and beautiful, beautiful condition. One owner, Dallas vehicle, totally rust-free, accident-free, and it's only got 100,000 miles on the odometer. She runs and drives great. Got a 4-inch lift on it, which we didn't do. It came to us that way. It's a real nice lift though, with slip yoke eliminator kit installed already, sitting on BFGs. The paint on this was fantastic when it came in. It was definitely been garaged. The only thing we've had to do was some touch-up paint on the fenders, the fender flares, excuse me, and in the front and rear bumpers. But overall, like I said, completely rust-free. It's interesting. They lifted it, and it doesn't look like it's really been off-roaded that much. So the body's just real clean. There's no rock chips down here, which you often see on off-roaded vehicles. Overall, just really, really good shape. Since it's a limited, it does have this saddle, two-tone interior with leather seats, and the leather is in extremely good condition. They're not torn or wrinkled or cracked, anything like that. It's got the center console, the wood grain inserts, the upgraded speaker system, the panels on the door here. Overall, just in really good shape. The carpet is extremely clean, no stains, rips, or tears. This car is a clean 100,000 mile one owner vehicle. Real proud of this one. We don't get too many with this kind of mileage in anymore. So if you're looking for an off-roader or a fun Jeep, this would be the one. If you're looking for something that would be more of a collector or a daily driver, our totally bone stock steel blue 2001 back there that we did a video on last week is the one to go to. If you're looking for something in a little bit different price range, we also have a 97 5-speed Jeep Cherokee for sale for $2,650, doing a special on it this week. It's in pretty good shape. It's actually also a one-owner vehicle. But yeah, keep checking back with us. Don't forget to like, share, follow us on Facebook, and go to our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. Have a good day.